Are you one of those who often get confused between what is forecasting and what is this prediction? And how are they related to each other? Are they same terms? Are they synonyms? What's the difference between these two terms? So rest assured by end of this video, we'll able to differentiate what is forecasting and what is this prediction. So don't skip any section of this video and watch the video till the end because I have explained this with the help of some relevant examples. Forecasting is based on the calculations or an estimation which uses data from the previous event that would have happened in the past combined with some recent trends to come up with what the future will look like. In short, forecasting collects data from the past, analyze this data, look for some trends if they are, and predict the future based on this data. This is forecasting. So if you are first time watching this video on my YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and do hit that bell icon as well, where I post regularly videos on Six Sigma, lean manufacturing, project management and business management. Let us now look at some examples of forecasting. So the first example could be how much rain is expected in the next 24 hours. So these weather forecasts are made by collecting the quantitative data about the current state of atmosphere at given place and using the methodology to project how the atmosphere will change and will affect the current state. So one of the challenges of forecasting is to find the number of previous event that should be considered while making the prediction about the future. Another example could be, let's say we can expect how many customer calls we can expect on Friday. Assuming that on Monday we have 50 calls, Tuesday we have 40 calls, Wednesday we have 60 calls, Thursday we have 55 calls. So we need to estimate the calls for Friday. So we can look at the past trends that on every Friday, what is the average number of calls we are getting. We can look at the last 6 months data. We can look at the last 5 months data and see if that number probably will give us the expected number of calls that is based on the forecasting. So we have analyzed our past data, look at the trends. Is there any trends during the seasons that we are getting more calls, or is it like the peak season? So all that parameters will be taken into account while forecasting the number of calls for Friday. Another example could be, say, how many passengers we can expect in a flight between US and Europe. So in this case, we will analyze the number of past travelers who have traveled from North America to Europe in the past and look at how many times they have flight in a month. So that data will help us analyze that how many passengers we can expect in a flight between US and Europe. Prediction is concerned with estimating the outcome of an unseen data. That means something which we don't know as of now and we are just predicting about this thing. And prediction is often based on your past experience and the knowledge. That means if we talk about the prediction, it is more of prediction is saying or telling something before an event. And if we compare it with forecasting, so forecasting is done on the basis of the analysis of the past. So if you are still watching this video, don't forget to click that like button. And if you want me to prepare any video on any topic, you can let me know in the comment section below, or you can also leave your valuable feedback there. Like what do you like about this video and what you don't like about this video. All your suggestions and comments are welcome here. Now let's take an example of this thing, prediction. Let's say how many goals will be scored by Argentina in a football match. So this is something which we cannot forecast based on previous data. This you have to predict because it is uncertain. that how many goals the Argentina will score on a particular day. And it has no relation with the past data. On that particular day, if the Argentina performs well, they will score more goals, and if they don't perform well, they will score less goals. Let's do a quick recap between forecasting and prediction. So, forecasting is nothing but a scientific based approach, while prediction is based on intuition, on your self experience or your knowledge. Forecasting is more accurate because it is a scientific based approach, while prediction is less accurate because it is based on your intuition. Forecasting takes time into consideration, while prediction does not take time into consideration. Forecasting, your error analysis is possible, but in prediction, it is not possible. So that is the difference between forecasting and prediction. I hope you like it.